She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the first video of, drumroll, March Madness. Yes, this month I am dropping a blending video every day of this month. I asked you guys before if you'd want me to do this, and I got quite a bit of people saying they do. So let's get it started. So for the very first March Madness video, this request is coming from KT Lovechild. We wanted to see what 3 different colors or 3 different shades of purple would look like. This had to be my first video for March Madness. Why? Because March is my birthday month and purple is my favorite color. So I was really excited to see what these 3 shades of purple will look like. Now, when I did these 3 shades, I did not blend these colors as well as I blended my other colors. And when I say as well, I mean I didn't really want these colors to be, I didn't want the blend to come out as one solid color, right? I really wanted the highlight of each tone of purple to show. So I did not spend a lot of time blending. So when you see it towards the end, don't think, I was slacking on this video. I purposely did not blend it all the way. I wanted these shades to really give highlights. You know what I'm saying? If you get what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying. Also, this month, my blends will be going up on my site. They'll be going up for you guys to purchase. And so I'm really excited for that, of course. And I hope that you guys are of interest in the colors that I've put up first. And I pretty much, did the ones that I seen a lot of people requesting when I had asked which blends you guys wanted me to put up first. So I hope that you guys are of interest in that, and just make sure to, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you can be notified, because there will be a video later this week that will go into details on my blends and what's going to be on there before they actually go live, so that you can be prepared and ready to purchase when they go out. I don't want the ones that's been waiting for a while now to completely miss out on these first set of blends that's going out. And this just calls for a huge thank you to you guys for supporting me with these blending videos, but also supporting me and pushing me to get these to sell, because if it was not for you guys, I honestly would not be doing this. So honestly, huge thank you. I'm going to allow you guys now to continue to watch and enjoy the rest of this video, and make sure to leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to y'all in my next video, which would be tomorrow. So you guys stay blessed, stay safe, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.